Hello everyone, Paul here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can utilize Searchbug Marriage and Divorce tool. This tool is a helpful resource for anyone researching for a person's marital history. What is it? Think of Searchbug's Marriage and Divorce tool as a super sniffer for public records. It searches through millions of records to find things like marriage licenses and divorce filings. With little info, it can tell you if someone's tied a knot or went their separate ways. Why would I use it? There are many reasons why you might want to know about someone's marital history. Here are a few. Background checks. Maybe you're doing some background research on a new love interest. Knowing someone's marital status is a must. Real estate. Divorce is classified as a life-changing event. This information can be useful for realtors in buying and selling properties. Legal matters. Lawyers might use this tool for matters such as inheritance disputes. Without further ado, let's get to it. First and foremost, we need to visit searchbug.com and navigate to Find People. Then select Marriage and Divorce. Next, we'll fill out the online form with the person's name and their state of residence. Once done filling out the form, click on Search Now. In just a few seconds, your report will be ready. For marriage report, it will include first spouse, second spouse, marriage date, county and state, certificate number. For the divorce report, it will include petitioner, respondent, divorce date, county, state, certificate number. Marriage and divorce report is $1 and no charge if no info is found. Please note not all information is available for all records. Visit searchbug.com today and learn more.